Don't worry, I do actually go to the park in this video, I just kind of forgot to intro it while I was there. On Friday the 26th of May, I went to Thorpe Park to see their newly reimagined Ghost Train. Will it be better than the original? Will it be a complete train wreck? Find out with this footage of Colossus. Oh! Honk! Nui, my Ghost Train. What do you have to say for yourself?
I went to the post office this morning to print it off, and they wanted 30p for a print, and it looked like this as well.
It almost says not my Ghost Train.
Not, well, maybe if you're a fan of that kind of thing.
I felt literally no different. It's chipping away. Which means, come and take a photo of it while you can, ladies and gentlemen.
Limited edition offer.
And limited edition, limited time offer. And if you take a photo of it, then you need to pay me a commission. £5.
Always take a photo of Interstate New England 13.
Oh, it's my favourite place. You know, my favourite number, my favourite England. Where'd he go? Wait.
I think it's the Exodus name.
Oh yeah, the big, enormous, giant, humongous, the ride. The big, Sorry? The big what? Right, Ghost Train time. Oh fuck. I absolutely hate nerds. Like, if you're in this queue right now, just know I hate you. Never mind, it's there.
Hello.
We were given these train tickets and I didn't pay for this, so I feel like I'm in breach of some sort of like TfL rule. Typical train, it's delayed. Ain't I funny?
It's a recreation.
Come back to you again. Hello. It's a train. Made you look. I think we may be crossing themes here, but it's the Ghost Train.
It's literally the Ghost Train.
Goodness me.
This is hashtag.
Just hashtag?
Yeah.
It died, so no one got on it. What are your thoughts on it dying?
Expected.
Holy fuck!
Wait. Over there. Holy
fuck! Sticky beef, tomatoes, rainbow lettuce, plus lettuce, rainbow lettuce? No, rainbow coleslaw, hot sauce, chives, from like this bit here. It's nice.
The Mardi Gras, Mac, Daddy Monarch, I'm the best of us. I'm the biggest in the game, call me Exodus.
What can run but never walks, has a mouth but never talks, has a head but never weeps, has a bed but never sleeps?
But these two have really shown us that they are
You can tell he never sleeps. Because it broke earlier, we got a ticket that says 67 on it, and now we're at Mackey's. So now we just have to wait until 67's called. They are actually just calling out numbers at the front. It is genuinely like Mackey's. I was kind of half joking, but it is. Welcome to Ghost Train. Hooray! Everyone cheered. I think that means it's open.
Wait, is it open?
I think. Maybe. Who knows? It's happening! How much can you do a day at Thorpe Park? Not much. We're waiting for Ghost Train most of the day. Okay, so I'm taking the fact that they mentioned Screech Rye as a dub for me and my fucking Derren Brown video, so... I mean, you can barely see it there. That counts though. It's nearly time. Just a reminder. I like how most of the words involved in all of this have kind of just been like taken straight from the synonyms for hell. Like Tartarus Park and stuff like that. Isn't that nice?
Oh, I thought you were filming the WWTP sign.
Yeah,
what word on that
synonyms
is
for hell. This bit of theming is just saying that Thorpe Park will serve you manky beans.
You probably will.
Easy to store and no best before date in sight. Believe us. I started filming this, I was just like, you know what, you're here now. Right, we're about like 15 minutes away from doing, I say 15 minutes, this could be an hour. Final words before we go in. I expect it to be dungeonsy.
Yeah, I mean, I have no expectations because then I can't be disappointed.
Facts. Let's go. Wait. Where's my thumb? Where is it? There. No. There. Everyone laugh. Everyone funny. Just announced the queue line is 150 minutes. Can you hear how popular that is? We're literally about to get on. Right, I have a lot of thoughts about Ghost Train, but I can't really put them all together now. So I'm gonna cut to later me, who actually like wrote it all down. Hi. Okay, right, let's put you back down now. So first of all, this video will have like minor spoilers about the ride, so if you want to avoid spoilers, then Darth Vader's Luke's father. I had a lot of issues with Derren Brown's Ghost Train when it finally closed at the end of last year, and I went into this one expecting them to have fixed most of those problems, and for the most part, they have. My main issue with Derren's was that the story was put inside of this bubble by the pre-show. You went into the pre-show and Derren explained that the whole experience was a show, and framing it like none of it is real, which is obvious, but if you're watching Halloween and then Michael Myers put down the knife, took off the mask, turned to the camera and went, "None of this is real, by the way," it'd take you out of it a bit, especially since Michael doesn't actually talk. Except for that Rob Zombie one where he talks as a kid, but then not as an adult because they wanted to keep like the mystique of it. I'm getting sidetracked. This new story runs from the pre-show right to the end of the ride, which is brilliant and includes a character called Angelus Mortis, which is about as on the nose as you can get away with. His name is literally Angel of Death. You can't make it any more obvious. So I know that I said that I'd riot if they took away the floating carriage scene, and first major spoiler, they have. But it actually looks really good. What they've done inside of there with the new train carriage, the train tracks below, and like the bridge and everything, I think it looks really impressive. Not as visually impressive as the floating train carriage, but it's still a very cool experience to walk into that room. The scenes on the trains are good, but you can obviously tell that it's a ride made for VR that's had the VR stripped. Other than the actors and a bit of UV and lighting at the end of the ride, there's not much going on inside the carriages, so it feels a little bit too static. There's a really cool scare on the train as well, where these like demonic nuns come from the driver's doors on either side and get a big scare in the darkness. And there's actually a bit of comedy at the end as well, which didn't feel out of place and got a laugh from every guest every time I rode it. So they've done really well with getting a reaction out of people. The most impressive bit of the ride for me is the crypt in the middle of the ride, which replaced the weird numbered blocking door bullshit that was there before. A scene that desperately needs looking at is the fake shop at the end. They've kept the gimmick of something coming through the wall during a blackout, but instead of there being a demon, like at least used to be in Derren's, it's just a staff member in a blue polo who you've literally just talked to about 5 seconds earlier. It's a bit weird and awkward and doesn't get a scare. There's also an awkward video that goes along with it, which just holds for too long and doesn't really do much, and then some kind of traveling ghost train effects that don't really hit as well. But I think that phrase kind of sums up Ghost Train at the moment. It's good, don't get me wrong, but it just doesn't quite hit every single mark. I think I got it right by saying it's quite dungeonsy, because it's not that massively scary outside of 1 or 2 moments. So a lot of it, you're kind of just watching characters build a scene up to those specific moments, which, hey, that's a story-driven ride, that's what they do. But it's very different to the experience that you got on Derren's, where it was constantly tense. The best bits are very good, the worst bits do weigh it down quite a lot, so it kind of balances out to be a kind of 5 out of 10 ride for me. Is it better than the last few years we've got a Derren Brown's Ghost Train? Absolutely. Is it better than the first few years we've got a Derren Brown's Ghost Train? Probably not. But it is an improvement on what was there last year, which is always good. And again, it's always better that than a construction site. And I'm looking forward to getting back on it again when I go next time. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've been on Ghost Train, then do let me know what you thought of it in the comments. And if you haven't, let me know if you're excited for it. If you did enjoy this video, then subscribing and sharing with your mates would be much appreciated. I'm also going to have another video like this out from Subterra very soon. But yeah, I've been Cal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.